Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here because I've got some awesome news. I got accepted into Buildspace. Now, if you don't know what Buildspace is kind of like what I would call a pre-startup program that gives me 6 weeks to build a minimum viable product for something I care about. I love their tagline, but I won't repeat it here because I might hit some language filters. Anyway, I've chosen to figure out a way to democratize advanced algorithmic trading for everyone. Over the past 12 months, as I've made YouTube videos and written blogs and interacted with people building algorithmic trading algorithms, I've realized that 90% of the people I interact with are facing the same problems over and over again. Things like configuring their infrastructure so that it's easy to use, or how do I load TA-Lib, which to this day remains one of my highest viewed videos on YouTube. It's insane. What that means is that advanced algorithmic trading is just out of reach for people. The things that I always wanted to get to, things like sentiment analysis and some cool machine learning algorithms like the Lorentzian classifier, are just impossible when you're spending tens and 20 and 30 hours configuring your environment. I think there's a better way. I want to give a big thank you to everyone who's come out and given me feedback over the last 12 months. I've had people on YouTube, Medium, message me on LinkedIn and Twitter telling me about their challenges. And honestly, it is me thinking about those challenges that has really given me the opportunity to present this idea. The program is 6 weeks long. I'm already in week one and near the end of it, and so I've got a lot of stuff to do. If you can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter, you'll be able to see my real-time updates on what I'm working on, who I'm working it with, and really provide some feedback and input into the process. That would really, really help me. Right now, I'm building a website, or at least someone who's volunteered to help me is building a website. And that'll be a really good place for you to be able to sign up to get email updates and to provide that feedback as we product. I'd really appreciate any time that you can give me in terms of providing that feedback. Or if you want to get involved in the actual building of the product, send me a message. I'll be more than happy to review it and see if there's a way that we can fit you in. Ultimately, I want to build a product that helps you be more effective and efficient at algorithmic trading.